Coffee lovers rejoice. The Meelio French Press coffee maker, 600 milliliters 20 aughts, is here to transform your coffee drinking experience, whether you're at home, in the office, or enjoying the great outdoors. This compact, stylish, and highly functional French press is designed for coffee enthusiasts who crave rich, flavorful coffee in a matter of minutes. With its durable build, superior heat retention, and excellent filtration system, the Meelio French Press stands out as one of the best options in its class. Why choose the Meelio French Press coffee maker? 1. Double-wall insulated stainless steel construction. One of the standout features of the Meelio French Press is its double-wall stainless steel construction. This ensures that your coffee stays hot for an extended period while the outer wall remains cool to the touch. Made from 1810 stainless steel, this French press is not only durable but also rust-proof, guaranteeing long-lasting performance. The BPA and PFOA-free materials ensure that your coffee is brewed in a safe, non-toxic environment, making it a reliable choice for everyday use. 2. 3-layer filtration system for pure, full-flavored coffee. The Meelio French Press comes equipped with a 3-layer filtration system that expertly traps coffee grounds while allowing the natural oils and full-bodied flavors of your coffee to shine through. The result is a clean, smooth, and rich cup of coffee every time. And if you prefer an even stronger brew, the 2 extra filters included with the French press can be added to enhance the filtration process. No more gritty sips or leftover grounds in your cup. Just pure coffee perfection. 3. Perfect for travel and outdoor adventures. If you're someone who enjoys a fresh cup of coffee while camping, hiking, or traveling, the Meelio French Press is your ideal companion. Its compact size and 20 aughts, 600 milliliter capacity make it perfect for personal use, and the sturdy build ensures that it can withstand the bumps and knocks of outdoor adventure. Thanks to its superior heat retention, you can enjoy piping hot coffee even in cooler temperatures, making it the perfect campfire coffee essential. 4. User-friendly design for maximum comfort. The Meelio French Press is designed with the user in mind. Its ergonomic, cool-touch handle ensures safe and comfortable pouring, even when the press is filled with hot coffee. The non-slip grip allows you to maintain control as you serve your freshly brewed coffee, and the sturdy lid stays securely in place to prevent spills. Whether you're brewing coffee for yourself or serving guests, this French press is as easy to handle as it is effective. 5. Retains flavors and aromas for an authentic coffee experience. True coffee enthusiasts, flavor is everything. The Meelio French Press uses its 3-layered stainless steel filter structure to preserve the natural oils and aromas of the coffee beans, delivering a rich, full-bodied brew that retains all the subtle nuances of flavor. Say goodbye to weak, watered-down coffee. The Meelio French Press, every cup is a flavorful journey, captures the essence of your favorite beans. Why the Meelio French Press is a must-have. Imagine waking up to the smell of freshly brewed coffee, knowing that within minutes you'll have a steaming cup of perfectly brewed coffee in your hands. Whether you're at home, in the office, or out in the wilderness, Meelio French Press makes this a reality. Its thoughtful design and superior performance make it easy to brew a perfect cup every time, without any hassle or mess. Are you tired of the bitter taste and gritty residue left behind by other coffee makers? The Meelio French Press coffee maker solves these common problems with its advanced filtration system and double-wall insulation, ensuring that you enjoy a smooth, flavorful cup with every brew. But don't just take our word for it. Try it for yourself and experience the difference. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and discover how the Meelio French Press will elevate your coffee routine. Who should buy the Meelio French Press? The Meelio French Press coffee maker is perfect. Home coffee lovers, enjoy the rich, full-bodied flavors of your favorite coffee beans without leaving your home. Office coffee enthusiasts, elevate your coffee breaks at work with a compact and stylish coffee maker that delivers high-quality results every time. Outdoor adventurers, whether you're camping, hiking, or traveling, the Meelio French Press is durable, portable, and capable of brewing coffee anywhere. eco-conscious individuals. With its reusable filter screens and stainless steel construction, the Meelio French Press is an eco-friendly alternative to disposable coffee makers and pods. Why the Meelio French Press is a great investment. If you're serious about coffee, investing in the Meelio French Press coffee maker is a decision you won't regret. Its combination of durability, portability, and superior brewing capabilities makes it an excellent choice for anyone who values quality coffee. Whether you're using it at home, in the office, or while camping, this French press delivers consistent results and a rich, flavorful brew that will keep you coming back for more. Don't settle for subpar coffee makers that leave you with lukewarm, weak coffee. Upgrade to the Meelio French Press and experience the difference quality materials and thoughtful design can make in your daily coffee routine. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.